After hearing about all the wrongdoing that occurred during the housing boom, have you ever wondered if the lenders broke the law when it came to your mortgage? If so, does that mean you may have another way to fight your foreclosure? Hi, I'm Jim Keaveney of Keaveney Legal Group. We are a law firm out of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and we focus a portion of our practice on helping people avoid foreclosure. Come join me as I tell you about how you can use the bank's greedy and illegal business practices to your advantage when fighting a foreclosure case. One of the tools in our legal toolbox is to simply audit a mortgage and see what improprieties may have existed during the mortgage origination process. Mortgages have been securitized and further activity, including sale of the mortgage, has taken place. Often we find issues during these transactions that can spell big trouble for a bank and give a homeowner a leg up on overcoming a foreclosure. After the burst of the housing bubble, the news was filled with stories about how banks made bad loans. Despite all the government bailouts and other programs, the consequences of those actions still haunt us to this day. Some of the problems relate to the moment the loans were being created or their origination date. Certain examples would include intentionally overvalued loans, fraudulently filled out loan documents, inaccurate or insufficient lender disclosures. When loans were sold on Wall Street, which is called securitization, things were flying very fast and loose, and lots of I's were not dotted and lots of T's were not crossed. We regularly find issues from that securitization process that help us fight foreclosure cases. Because most banks hire large foreclosure mill law firms to file their foreclosure cases, we find a lot of sloppy work and mistakes, and that helps us level the playing field and helps our clients get a better outcome. There are a number of other defects that occurred during the life of millions of home loans, and if you know how, you may be able to take advantage of these mistakes or intentional frauds in order to avoid foreclosure. To find out how, you should contact an experienced foreclosure defense attorney. At Keaveney Legal Group, we help homeowners avoid foreclosure every day. And we would welcome the opportunity to speak with you to see if your loan may suffer from those defects. You can reach us by calling 1-800-219-0939 or by email at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Keaveney, and you have a great day.